Hey there, fellow beard enthusiasts. Are you tired of patchy growth and dream of a fuller, healthier beard? Well, today we're diving into the world of beard rollers, a game changer in the realm of beard care. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind these little gadgets. What are they? How do they work? Who should use them? And most importantly, we'll unveil our top 3 picks for the best beard rollers out there, backed by solid reasoning. So whether you're a grooming guru or a beginner, stay tuned because this could be the key to unlocking your beard's full potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future grooming guides. What are beard rollers? Let's dive into the world of beard rollers. Imagine a small handheld tool equipped with hundreds of tiny needles on a roller head. This isn't a medieval torture device, it's a marvel of modern grooming technology. These needles, when rolled over your skin, create micro-injuries. This process, known as microneedling, kickstarts your body's healing process, boosting blood circulation and collagen production, which are crucial for a healthy beard growth. Now, who stands to benefit from these beard rollers? If you're struggling with uneven beard growth or looking to enhance the thickness of your facial hair, a beard roller could be your secret weapon. However, they're not suitable for everyone. If you have skin conditions like acne or sensitive skin, you might want to consult a dermatologist before giving these a try. Safety and hygiene are critical when it comes to microneedling. Always sterilize your beard roller before and after use to avoid any infection. And remember, it's a personal care tool, not meant for sharing. The method of using a beard roller is straightforward but requires diligence. Gently roll it across your beard area in various directions, ensuring that you stimulate every part of your skin without causing any harm. This action helps to improve blood flow to the hair follicles and encourage growth. But let's set realistic expectations. Beard rollers are not a one-stop solution for instant beard growth. Results can vary based on individual skin types and growth patterns. Consistency is key and patience is essential. And make sure you're keeping a solid beard care routine every day. Over time, you might just see that dense, healthy beard you've been aiming for. Now let's dive into why their things are becoming a sensation in the grooming world. The surge in popularity of beard rollers isn't a fad, it's rooted in their effectiveness and the growing trend of meticulous beard care. Men worldwide are sharing their success stories, from noticeable improvements in beard density to transforming patchy areas into full growth. Social media and online forums are abuzz with before and after photos showcasing real-life results. Influencers in the grooming community are also praising these tools, further fueling their popularity. The appeal isn't just in the results, it's also in the empowerment of self-care. Using a beard roller is a therapeutic ritual for many, blending the art of grooming with the satisfaction of personal upkeep. Testimonials from users who've experienced a boost in confidence with their improved beards are inspiring others to try out these tools. In essence, beard rollers symbolize a blend of science, self-care, and style, resonating with modern men who seek both efficacy and a touch of luxury in their grooming routines. Now that we understand the what, why, who, and how of beard rollers, let's unveil our top 3 picks for the best beard rollers on the market, each selected for their unique features and effectiveness. Our 3 recommended beard rollers. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of our top 3 picks for beard rollers, each chosen for their unique features and effectiveness. First up, we have the Derma Roller. This little gem is a standout for its solid design, featuring a durable titanium blade. It's specifically crafted with a 0.25mm needle length, which is just the right size to stimulate your follicles without causing any pain. This roller isn't just about the needles though. It comes with an all-natural beard comb, oil, serum, and balm, offering a luxurious grooming experience. Whether you're a beard grooming novice or a seasoned pro, the Derma Roller could be your new go-to tool. Next in line is the Crafted Beards Growth Kit. This one's a real winner for those on a budget. But don't let the price fool you. The quality is top-notch. The titanium blade and a dense 540 needle count ensure thorough coverage and efficient follicle stimulation. It comes with a hair serum, providing all the nutrients your beard needs for healthy growth. If you're looking for quality without a hefty price tag, this is the kit for you. Last but certainly not least, we present the Beard Club Advanced Beard Growth Kit. This is the luxury option for those who are serious about their beard game. It's suitable for all kinds of skin and hair, and the kit includes everything you need for your beard growth journey, including a derma roller, growth oil, vitamins, and a beard brush. The blade's 540 needle count and a 0.5mm needle length ensure you get the best stimulation without unnecessary discomfort. This kit is perfect for those who are ready to invest a bit more in their beard care routine. And there you have it, folks. Beard rollers can be a fantastic tool for those seeking fuller, healthier facial hair. But remember, they're part of a broader beard care regimen that includes proper grooming products, a healthy lifestyle, and patience. We hope this video has shed light on how beard rollers can enhance your grooming routine. If you've got experiences or tips to share, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grooming tips and tricks. Keep rolling and let your beard journey continue to thrive. Until next time, stay sharp and groomed.